Let's start to brew your perfect espresso. Pull the plug at the bottom of the water tank. Pop the water tank onto the coffee maker base. Lift the water tank lid, fill it right up with water, and don't go past the max line. Press the power button to turn on the machine, and the coffee maker will enter preheating mode. When the power light's solid, the coffee maker goes into standby mode. Slide the coffee filter basket into the portafilter just like you see in the video. Have your freshly ground coffee ready, and match the grind size to what you see in the video. Grab a digital scale and measure out the coffee grounds. Use 13 to 14 grams of coffee grounds for the double basket and 6 to 7 grams for the single one. Tamp the coffee grounds down nice and flat. Lock the portafilter into the coffee maker. We're doing a double dose for the demo, so hit the double shot button to extract. Check how the coffee's pouring out. This machine's running perfectly right now. Check the pressure gauge on the machine. You'll see the internal pressures right where it needs to be now. And now we've got a perfect cup of coffee right here. Now you can whip up great coffee easily right at home.